Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY ice maker and the Countertop ice maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to ice production capacity, the AGLUCKY ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, while the Countertop ice maker slightly edges ahead with a capacity of 26.5 pounds. This small difference may be crucial for larger gatherings or events where ice is needed in abundance. In terms of ice production time, the AGLUCKY ice maker produces 9 ice cubes in approximately 6 to 8 minutes, which is quite efficient. On the other hand, the Countertop ice maker takes a bit longer, with a production time of 6 to 12 minutes. This difference could impact your experience if you need ice quickly. Both models come equipped with a self-cleaning function, making maintenance easy and hassle-free. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who want to ensure their ice makers remain clean and hygienic, without spending too much time on upkeep. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY ice maker and the Countertop ice maker offer great features and performance for anyone in need of a reliable ice maker. While the AGLUCKY model has a slight edge in ice production time, the Countertop ice maker offers a marginally higher capacity. Ultimately, your choice may come down to personal preference and specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.